talking about. Look at that farmland. Beautiful land. Bound away is the only way. 84 west to 82 east, heading up towards Washington. It's about a 3-4 hour drive. Shouldn't be that bad. I don't know the road, so I don't know if it's going to be narrow or high. You know what I mean? The Hornet, when it hits those mountains, it doesn't like climbing those mountains. So another 3-4 hour trip, get up there, maybe get there a day early, hook up, get everything squared away in the ship here. Oh, that's the only one. It's supposed to be about 80, so I have to test out the old AC here in the Hornet. I haven't had it on in a while. Most of the time yesterday was cleaning out this motorhome. I was kind of going through all the parts, and you know, when you have a motorhome, an RV, you tend to gather tons of you know, extra stuff just sitting around that you don't need. It's in different spots around the RV, and in this Class C, it's not good because I have no storage, no underneath storage, not a lot of above storage. You know, it's where all my clothes are. I got the closet back there, that's not bad. And then I got the bathtub that I put a bunch of stuff in, you know, so, but I'm kind of, it drives me crazy because I can't stand things that are out of order or messed up when I go back in that bathroom and I see my things just piled inside the shower. It's, you know, drives me freaking nuts. I think I got that freaking, I don't know, the disease where you hate messes, you know, that kind of person that puts your money in order and all those other things, so that it's put it this way, it drives me nuts. It's going crazy. But like I said, road's nice and cool, there's no problems. Knock on wood. Yes, I got wood right here. Got a little panel here. Wood. And then we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull over a little bit, get some gasoline. Now, I don't know whether Washington, Oregon has cheaper gas. I can't remember. But I just passed $2.79 a gallon. That was pretty cheap. At least that's cheap for what I've seen in a while here. I'm on a half a tank, so I'm okay right now. The Hornet's running very nice. I put in, I checked the oil, checked the fluids, all good. Hornet runs like a top. Thank you very much, Hornet. Appreciate it. I always get jinxed when I start talking about it. I don't want to jinx myself. But I just love driving out when it's all quiet, no traffic. Seeing all the farmers out there and their Erie Dam over there. It's pretty cool. Really washing water, boy. It's rushing. Columbia River. I'll be driving up along the Columbia River the whole time, so except in one spot when you get to the 2. That is cool. On the 240 north, 35 miles, just leaving Richmond. Oh, that was not a cop. Okay. 34 miles north on the 240. Here we go. This is a town where they call it Horn Rapids. I don't know why, but I'll see if I can find out why and post it on top. Horn Rapids. It's like a pretty clean, like a new town. Everything's new, a lot of new homes, a lot of new stores and retail centers. Right outside of Tri-Cities. And let's see what we can do here on a 240 north. I'm getting hungry. I need to stop. If I find something winky, quacky, whatever on the way there, I'm stopping. Down here at the Camping and Sand Hollow
Grant County. What's a diagram of it? I just pulled over to get wet. Saw a little beach over here. I'm gonna go jump in the water. Stop. I left my freaking gas cap at the gas station probably 3-4 times in the last year. Okay, if it's not attached to my head was attached to my neck, I know I would lose it, but I got to go over here to the AutoZone parts. I think it's up here on the left. Get me a gas cap, and I kept saying I was going to do so. This Ace is the place, but I need AutoZone, so. I'm in, I think, Wenatchee, town of Wenatchee. It's about 8 miles outside of Lincoln Rock State Park. And hopefully I don't get a ticket for videotaping this on the road with cops running around here. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, there it is, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Right? Oh, God, it must be right next to AutoZone. That's so weird. So let's pull in O'Reilly's and see what happens here. I'll find me the gas cap. Rock State Park. Beautiful looking place so far, boy, I tell you. Front's all manicured, the grass is manicured, the curbs are manicured. Oh boy, camp area is full. Let's see what I can do here. Keep dogs on the leash. Let's go find a host. Wow, look at that beautiful ballpark, everything. See, cabins, reserved picnic areas. Them guys, I'm at Lincoln Rock. I'll tell you, it's a beautiful spot. It's, I guess I'm called the cabin host. Actually, I should keep this one. I'm gonna keep this spot. Yeah, I'm keeping this spot. That's what I want. I don't want that spot. Oh my God, yeah. I got nobody over here. Definitely keeping this spot. All right, just gonna get things squared away. I'm getting rid of this pan, guys. I do not trust this pan. It's there's the information on it. Copper Chef, and I'm checking into it. It does not really do the job.